Salamu alaikum, friends. Welcome to your favorite car channel. Today we will know what is the car's cooling system or water system. How many parts are there? How does the cooling fan work? And when servicing is necessary, when I see the video at the end, you will get a full understanding of the cooling system of the car. What is the cooling system? Extreme heat builds up inside while the car's engine is running. Sometimes the temperature ranges from 700 to 900 degrees Celsius. If this excess heat is not reduced, then the engine will overheat. The head gasket will burn. Pistons will jam. The engine can be completely ruined. The system that works to regulate this excess heat, he is called a cooling system or car water system. But how many parts is the cooling system made of? A car cooling system is usually made up of 10 to 12 important parts. Don't know it. Car cooling system parts name. Radiator. The hot water in the engine cools. A radiator cap. Controls the pressure and prevents water from leaking. Cooling fan or radiator fan. Heat from the radiator. Water pump. Circulating water. Thermostat valve. The engine controls how much heat the water will run at. The upper radiator hose. The hot water comes from the engine. The lower radiator hose. The cold water is sent back to the engine. Coolant reservoir tank. Keeps extra water. Coolant, water. The engine is cold. The temperature sensor. On-off the fan on the temperature map. The heater core. The cabin works on a heater system. The engine water jacket. The water movement road inside the engine. And how does the cooling fan work? The cooling fan is the most important part of the cooling system. Fans work getting the hot air out of the radiator. Keep the engine cold. Don't let the traffic overheat even if it's standing. There are usually two types of cooling fans. Mechanical fan. Walk with the engine through the belt. Electric cooling fan. Auto is on-off with sensors and ECU. When the engine reaches a certain temperature, a sensor signals. A fan automatic turns on, turns off again when the heat drops. Cooling fan signs when bad. The car heats up quickly. Increased heat when AC turns on. Don't spin the fan. Overheat when standing in traffic. Radiator water boil. When to service the cooling system. According to the general rules, a coolant change. Every 30,000, 40,000 kilometer. Radiator cleaning. 6 months or 1 year in a row. Water pump check. Timing belt change time. Fan sensor thermostat check. Per servicing. Not just using water, it is always safest to use water mixed with coolant. Friends, remember, as strong as the engine is, without the cooling system, the engine will never be good. In time, use coolant. See if the fan is okay. Stop the car immediately if it overheats. Like the video.